Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Metamafia token. Ticker symbol is MAF. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting November 29th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the Metamafia token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it was just announced on Twitter, will be listed November 29th at 10 p.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, you could download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you can open an account on your PC at gate.io. Then you would fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search MAF, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So November 29th, 10 p.m. UTC time. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project, and it is at Project Mafia NFT. Do you know what Mafia stands for? Music, Art, Fashion, Influence Association. We connect culture through NFTs. And there's a link tree there that's going to take you to anywhere you need to go. They have 46,100 Twitter followers, 590 tweets. If you go to the link tree, you're going to find a white paper in English, brochure, a homepage, Telegram, Twitter, Medium, and a logo, AI, and PNG page. So all sorts of links there. And they have Medium articles. Looks like they have a bunch of them. Whole bunch of Medium articles. Too many to even go over right now. Talking about partnerships, protecting NFT original data with private key encryption, ensuring data integrity and preventing unauthorized access. And then we have a article that is specifically about the token. So Metamafia fueling the ecosystem with the MAF token distribution. So the Metamafia platform revolves around the MAF token, which is designed as the primary medium for transactions and rewards. With a total supply of 500 million MAF tokens, the distribution is strategically allocated to ensure the sustainability of the Metamafia ecosystem. For instance, 16% of the tokens are reserved by the foundation to manage inflation and support ecosystem growth, while another 20% is dedicated to mining rewards to incentivize active participation in the project. This ensures long-term engagement and steady growth within the platform. Now, they have a Telegram you can follow at Metamafia. And the Telegram there has 42,768 members. Over 1,200 of them are online right now. That's going to be a great place to talk to other community members about the project, ask questions, things like that. So the Metamafia project is a gathering of people who want to solve problems, establish a transparent and fair distribution structure for content production, distribution, and profit distribution, and provide fair opportunities to all stakeholders, even if there are differences in the profits returned to them. Interests among numerous categories, and each member actively expresses their opinions on those interests And if you are qualified to become a trustworthy family member of supporting content or artists, then you can become a member of Metamafia. Of course, it may be difficult to pursue and lead this direction in the existing way. Therefore, MetaCoop, which is part of the project, expects to find an answer in the blockchain, including NFTs, for the following reasons. Number one, the NFT field has had a strong influence in the blockchain market since 2021. And number two, a system is needed to trade and manage new and special NFT contents that continue to appear online. So the Metamafia project presents a direction in which all stakeholders, including creators, producers, and planners, can lead transparent transactions and industrial development in the cultural arts market through complete decision-making by all qualified participants. As we can see through the typical Mafia story that we are familiar with, the Mafia also has basic qualification requirements and a system that can grant symbols of power beyond the qualification requirements. So Mafia NFT is the fusion of the classic system called Mafia and the modern system called NFT cards. So Metamafia NFT cards issued in limited quantities are essential elements for deciding the organization's intentions and presenting the overall direction of the platform. Just as the person with more infrastructure becomes the head of an organization, the possession of NFT cards strengthens the influence within the organization and access to their targets. So Metamafia NFT card system is a new blockchain platform structure presented by MetaCoop that combines the decentralized autonomous organization system, which determines the direction of the platform through voting, and the NFT system, which has recently become a hot topic. So the NFT card system designed to operate the Metamafia and applied to the platform has a structure in which authority, influence, and benefits are differentially granted depending on the type and quantity of the cards held. Since even the lowest ranking members of the organization can enjoy basic benefits and rewards simply by holding a Mafia NFT card, Metamafia will maintain the organization's sustainability. So in other words, the vision of the project that MetaCoop wants to achieve is to provide various benefits to Metamafia members based on NFT cards and create a shared economy together. And in addition, based on the blockchain system with the best security and transparency and abundant liquidity of content transactions combining NFTs, the Metamafia project is open to an influential digital asset trading market on the platform. This is the ultimate goal and the mission that MetaCoop wants to achieve. Now go check this token out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.